Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video I am going to show you a really simple but probably one of my favorite features available in Silhouette Studio. So I am going to show you very quickly how to take advantage of the multiple undo button. Alright, so here I am in Silhouette Studio. So you'll see I have a little donut in here. So I was working a little bit ago on a file for my cute food pack. And I'm trying to figure out something with it, and so I've been breaking apart my shapes, making copies, and you can see there's a lot of variances going on in here. This is my original, and I was breaking it apart different ways to see which way I like the best. Which, by the way, if you're watching this, let me know which version of the donut you like best. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Give me your opinion. I'd love to know what you think about it. But back to the original point where we talk about multiple undo. So let's say I want to go back and just have, go back several steps. I don't want to have to keep pressing Control Z, or doing the little undo button up here to do that. If I have done a whole bunch of steps and I realize I have totally messed this up, this is not right, we're going to go up to this icon right here. It looks like a recycle icon. We're going to go to multiple undo. And then you're going to see a list of all the steps you've taken in this current session in Silhouette Studio. So you can see I've done 286 different steps, and you can see it'll kind of give you a description. So let's say I want to go back way to the beginning. I can go over and let's say I want to go, I don't know, to step 250, moving it. So we're going to go ahead and it's going to undo all these steps. So you're going to see I deleted all these little sprinkles. And so this was in the middle of me deleting the inside lines of my sprinkles. So let's say I want to go a little bit further back. Let's go back to that edit fill of 41 shapes. So check that out. So you can see all those steps that I did. Undo, release, compound path, and now I'm back to that step there. And hey, now I'm happy. I didn't want to save all those other things, and I can keep working from there. So a really quick and easy tool. It's something that, let's say you don't want to keep on doing it, I can go back, kind of check this out, and then if you have already done that, since I did another step, it doesn't really count, but I can go over here, go back to this edit. So this is when I was typing. I was testing out something else earlier. So it's going to go all the way back to me typing. I was messing with my offsets and my fills, and I didn't want to go that far back. So I can go back to that edit, and now we're moving back forward to where we were. So if you're trying to figure out where to go, just make sure you're not moving it or doing another step in between it, because you can toggle back and redo some of those steps as well. So that's just a quick overview on the multiple undo button in Silhouette Studio. Now, if you want to see more videos on Silhouette Studio, don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below your favorite version of the donut at the beginning of the video.